Behind every boarding pass is a complex world of logic, math, and strategy. Welcome to the core of aviation management, fare construction. Fare construction is the strategic calculation of a ticket's price, balancing IATA rules, distance, and routing to connect the world efficiently. Most international fares follow IATA guidelines to ensure seamless consistency across different airlines and borders. In fare construction, every city pair has a maximum permitted mileage budget for your ticket. When your actual path, the TEEP, stays within this limit, you pay the base fare. To keep things fair, IATA usuction. We use a standard rate of exchange into NUCs for calculations. This ensures a ticket costs the same value globally. The Hitchip rule ensures a fare isn't lower than the fare to any intermediate stop. If a stopover point like City B costs more than your final destination, that higher fare must be charged. IATA provides standard codes like OW and RT to ensure that fare types and calculation formulas are interpreted identically by every GDS across the globe. Think of the HIP rule as a protective shield for airline revenue. It ensures that a trip to the hub itself has a higher direct fare. That becomes your new price floor. Airlines maximize revenue by segmenting seats into fare buckets. By closing low-yield seats as the flight fills up, they ensure every kilometer flown generates the maximum possible revenue. A ticket price isn't just the base fare. We must also construct the tax and surcharge components, like the YQ fuel surcharge, to determine the total price paid by the traveler. Whether you're managing a fleet or constructing a fare, precision is your greatest tool. Master these principles, fly high, and lead the way in your aviation career.